Hi everyone, welcome to your MK Yoga practice. I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute video to help reduce strain in the neck. We hold a lot of tension there. Inhale, take the arms up, and as you exhale, release the arms down. Give the shoulders a nice roll, backwards and then forwards, just warming up the muscles before we stretch them. And a few shrugs, the shoulders up to the ears. And then we'll bring the head forward, tucking the chin. You can place the hands on the back of the head with just a gentle pressure to help stretch the neck a little further, being really kind, really gentle to yourself. Taking it nice and easy, holding this one, a few more rounds of breath, maybe a gentle rock side to side, and then releasing. And we'll take the chin right up to the sky, bringing the head back, maybe opening the jaw a couple times. And then bringing the ear down to the shoulder and tucking the chin slightly, stretching out the opposite side of the neck. Really breathing into that space. The deeper you breathe, the more stretch you'll feel. Maybe that's enough there, or if you like, you can take your hand, really grasp it in to the base of the skull. And just a gentle pressure again, helping to bring the head a little closer to the shoulder. You can creep the opposite arm away, pulling the shoulder down, increasing the stretch a little more if you like. Taking any option today, being really kind, really gentle, and always coming back to that breath. We'll release the top arm, give the head a gentle roll through center, over to the other side, taking the ear to the shoulder. And then your variation, maybe the hand comes up to grasp the base of the skull. And creeping your finger on the opposite hand away if you feel like you need to on this side. And coming back to the breath, feeling that neck release, letting go of all the tension. A couple more rounds of breath here. And then gently releasing the hand, roll the head side to side. Maybe noticing any points of tension through the neck. And then we're going to stretch the front of the neck, so coming over to the first side, but tilting the head back. So you feel that stretch right from the jaw down into the neck. Rolling through center over to the other side, bringing the head back and finding that stretch through the jaw, sort of just below the earlobe, right down to the shoulder. This is a popular one to hold tension here as well. And back up through center. Give the shoulders another roll back and forward, releasing all those muscles. Give the head, the neck. And inhale, take the arms up. Exhale out to the side. Inhale, up again. And we'll bring the hand behind you, coming into an open twist, the opposite hand to knee. Taking the gaze back behind you. And looking beyond your back shoulder. Releasing back to the center as you inhale up. Exhale down to the other side. Opposite hand to shoulder. The back hand helping support the spine, staying nice and tall for an open twist. Releasing, coming back to center. And we'll swap the legs over, bringing the other one in front. Bring the hands out in front, interlace the fingers, flip the grip, send the arms away, and let the head and neck release down in between the forearms, really rounding through the back. Inhale, bring them up. Take the hands behind you, interlace the fingers this time, bringing the shoulder blades together, the hands drawing down towards the mat, really squeezing them in, opening up the front of the chest. You can take the gaze up as well if you like, maybe even coming up onto the knees if that's easier for you. We'll breathe some space right into the heart center, opening up the chest. Couple more rounds of breath here. And then we'll slowly release. We'll take that one again, bring the arms out in front, flip the grip, send the hands away, nice stretch through the palms of the hands, and bring them back. Interlace them behind you, open up through the chest. One more round. Push the hands away and release. Flowing through, open up the front of the chest and releasing back. Give the back a nice little rock. Any movements that come naturally. We'll inhale, take the arms up and take the right arm down, the left coming over. Inhale through center. We'll take it to the opposite side, stretching through the side body. And then releasing back through center. Inhale up, exhale, release. Hope you enjoyed your practice today. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.